I know now that I am a Bhil and a Rajput, that I carry the blood of a commoner and a Devadasi. But the story I'll tell you is not that of two star-crossed lovers and their illegitimate son. No, this is the story of India. My parents lived in interesting times, when a nation struggled to find its way in a world that had gone mad. They tried their best to keep me a secret, sacrificing their own lives together to shield me from a life of ignominy. And here I am, spilling their secrets. For I am no longer ashamed of my existence, and I am no longer ashamed of theirs. I am who I am, and they were who they were. They told me that there was more to my mother, who while staying behind the camera, breathed life into the songs lip-synced by larger-than-life movie stars. They told me that there was more to the cricket manager, who used to greet me warmly, although a little awkwardly. They told me about how these unlikely lovers came to share a bond that stood the test of time and distance. And now, I'll tell you